Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about imperatives. Imperatives are commands or requests that tell someone to do something. For example, you can say, open the door, or please be quiet. To form an imperative, you need to use the base form of the verb without to. For example, sit down or go away. You don't need to use a subject because the subject is usually you or someone. For example, sit down means you sit down or someone sit down. To make a negative imperative, you need to use do not or don't before the verb. For example, do not touch that or don't be late. You can also use never or always to emphasize the imperative. For example, never lie to me or always tell the truth. To make a polite imperative, you need to use please before or after the verb. For example, please help me or help me please. You can also use could, would, or can before the verb to make a more indirect imperative. For example, could you pass me the salt? Or would you mind closing the window? Let's practice with some examples. I'll give you a situation and you'll tell me what imperative to use. Ready? Here we go. You want your friend to stop talking. What do you say? Be quiet or please be quiet. You want your teacher to explain something again. What do you say? Could you repeat that? Or repeat that, please. You want your brother to leave your room. What do you say? Get out of my room or don't stay in my room. Great job! You've learned how to use the imperatives to give commands or requests. Remember to practice more with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you next time.